blood clot several yeah, American Bantan, your one of us, Papi Show blood clot several. You know, see her cruff like Amari. Amari a stifle and I bring her down with you. Yeah, American style blood clot. Me a song I got road. Bumba wall me a bad girl. Bad man did blood clot, Amari. From your baby daddy drop the song. With me the queen. You're pregnant for you see me fly go Jamaica go do the video shoot. I see the idiot sit down over there bantan me with Amari. And your blood clot carrier, me a dad several lads. Learn from the best. Same Sikaram there. Queenie stop shout. Sikaram do a lovely song with Amari for bantan me. 3 years ago. I should do it good and nice. And my time now. And several lads. You see a career when me seeing you. And say, alright, make with the song. I'm here at Bantam. Listen to what you say about your baby mother. Yeah, you today, your damn back, and you name Shimrock. Make your mind up, several lads. Me not see I promote the song. More than me see, here say Amari Bantam me. You're banting your fucking self, fam. Let I tell you what great people do. You see when I done the song One Man to My Good in case you never know. I'm cleaning a deck. I'ma get out a blood clot and then I have no behavior with Sikaram. Yeah, me think of Sikaram that. Nicky Royal. And Sikaram removed the song off of YouTube. And them say me not to sing the song. Sikaram gonna lock me up. Me say make him lock up bomba pussy blood clot me for my vice. My career mean a lot to me. And it's a hit song. And even there's a hit song and the man throw me in the blood clot rubbish heap and road left blood clot and me just slide up my cut of the rubbish heap and the pan. Everywhere me go them just say, the way. No man to me could they. No, not the way. That's a blood clot hit. So several hours, me a reason with you now. You are Amari over live a bantan me when you have a song with me and you do a bantan Amari we are going to drop this Friday. Make reason, man. Him hungry in a blood clot like Amari. Two of them hungry. Make it out, no, man. No, man, we are talk. Me I do my thing, but we still a talk. Let's reason it out. Or you do not want to reason it out? You want me to sit here and be fucking silent? Yeah. So me I show nothing. Who there how long? I remember when me a Sikaram at it. And people say, Queenie, don't sing the song. And me I say, what? My voice? My own a blood clot voice. Me for me true, me and you don't agree. Me didn't know this one, my voice. Hey, me one different woman, you know. You see me take myself different every. Me say, God, me love how God make me, you know. You see the way me honor myself, if I me alone sing the blood clot song from my song, me no business who else will help me sing it. So, several hours, you can't hunger blood clot bite me tit in a video blood clot shoot me a bad girl. Me a smart. Me a fucky licky, but I'm tired for telling her if a man not conquer me. So Amari, you know me not take your man. Cause I'm brave, me big, me bad, and me bold. So if me I take your man out, be the sweetest blood clot thing for see my pussy I jump like blood clot guinea rabbit. Watch your pussy I jump like guinea rabbit for several hours. Oh, that's the nicest thing. But Amari, if you don't get the cocky, ask several hours and him then at the house I say no fuck him. I say several hours. What's it? Me say if you the fuck Amari with that girl like a pussy. You see the fact that you don't fuck Amari, you not get none of my pussy. Ask him. You know my bantan him Amari. And ask him. I said, don't this her. You several hours can't done me. When you can't done me? Several hours of yourself you done your fucking Papi Show. Papi Show. After Amari say your teeth are a green card. You scammer, you can't go left her in a bush. How the blood clot there? And tell the whole of TikTok say them for denounce you. And if you take it down, I mean, Miss Bling said, not a mama blood clot and Sikaram say, right there. Me gonna I'm just start doing freestyle cause my sister. Him have music potential, but him not have no lifestyle sense. Your man couldn't fuck me. Your baby father couldn't fuck me. Me no fuck a box, girl. Me still a hold my blood clots. Unforbidden dumb self. Me still a hold my composure, Amari. Me not prove nothing to nobody. Winston what happen. Me like how me can just skin up my fat pussy. Say if TikTok and black me or Instagram and black me. Me know some people upon the blood clot. Me say, yeah. Yeah, me just enjoy my blood class if I know some beer, man. Who I wonder if me go sell pussy? Who I wonder if them I get some? Who I wonder if me go suck out them, lick out them body wall? Who I wonder if me go suck them cocky? Who I wonder if me go suck out them eye like fish eye? Yeah. Yeah, so, before I'm over there talk to Amari and I notice the man now promote the song and I say, okay. So Amari, love struck, love bomb. You want to see two puppy show? Let me search you that you know love struck her back and promote your song. You get for the song with the queen. But who you? Kupu. But who blood clad poo? Eh? My grandmother said, but who poo? But who you? You don't even know if you're going to reach in a blood clot where you sit down here Amari banter and me and the song. Boy, people, me can't get some ungrateful blood clot twice in a life, though. Just because I'm willing and able, you know. Because boy, I have a good voice, you know. Idiot, fool. Mr. Amari, I love bomb. I guess so, though. When I'm walking from the screen, yeah, Amari, I got mad in blood clot. You know, people, I wish you that's about me there. I wish you that's about me. I want Amari over your blood clot. She feel over him. Amari can't over me. I not do iniquity. So all of you not over me to blood clot. And me you not over. Me not afraid of over. Me not care about over. I don't give a blood clot for about over. True. Family customer stay. Them used to say the man, when you go up Roach Gully at St. Thomas, them say the man walk over and nobody enough to eat him mango. I want the blood clot. Don't know when me I go shop the amount of mango me name over here. That don't make no sense to me from me a little girl. How the fuck the man have so much mango tree in a yard? And I got mango tree. Me name mango tree rascal. Not a thing no go so. No can't do me one shit. Go do a song and compete back with me old blood clot. What this girl is saying? I say, hallelujah! King of kings, hallelujah! Lord of Flash it house. Who you want to drive me insane? Remember you said me I drive you insane, you know. Crab house. Where you want to? Fuck up my brains. Remember you go passing ask me that. Duh. I'm like, bitch. That mean I am mollering you, Amari. Go back and watch the thing, baby girl. I was so calm and collective. I was so beautiful. And I humor you humorous of times. Go back and watch Sting and you will see the effect. When they gave you the mic, a two-time you get boo, you know, Amari. Me not get one boo. My energy too irritated. When them give you the mic and say, you have to answer me, Queenie, you're in a shit house. What you want to? Fuck up my brains, crab louse. What you want to? Drive me insane, me say blood clot, me mad Mary. I'm here sing to. I'm here compete with. What the fuck that do you join? You fucking crap. I'm just say, where you want to lick me for? Music clash. Not physical. Me take the piss out of your dirty blood clot. I still a satisfied. The line I want. Let's not talk about Sting. Why you can't tell me if you talk about? I'm freelance, you know. No, several lads, me I talk about. Me actually sit down and I said to several lads, oh, me say him want him moly. And him sit down there and listen to me. I listen to her. And I say, but that man didn't have no sense. Then when me say several lads moly, Amari, me no whisper and can you keep a secret when me a blood clot talk, Amari. Me loud and proud, Amari. If you know them little things, they don't not make no liars, man. I manipulate the man and take the man all over again. Me say, why you sink him in one barrel, see? And roll him down blood clot spiritual hill. Because going down spiritual hill is on the way to Mobile. Somebody will see him down there, fucking idiot. You know, play a Mary game and promote your song. You understand me? And tell Mary fly down and married and if you not get together, understand. You Yeah, do something progressive. I make Amari Avia use it for fair platform for fair songs. And you didn't like one blood clot, that. Queenie, one queen in the deck, thank you. Him didn't like him a that a help Bantan, but no weapon charm fall against Shimra. Any weapon fall against you and Ras clot, then you and Amari are going to fall at the same blood clot level. So when Amari done with this, you think Amari nice, don't mind you? Remember, I not look nothing for you, I'm a queen. You hear that? I sorry for your dirty blood clot, me just say. And see me, original, sit on the man and Amari done him and say, Roman scam, him do me bad, him a scammer, him take on my green card, make me could travel, me left him a Bahamas, him this, him that. Me a bad girl. I take up your rubbish blood clot heap. I know the rubbish heap and blood clot on sheet for me. Eh? You better go promote the blood clots and call when you promote them, yes, promote them. The song I drop. Drop see where Amari a ball and I make problem I say them for black the song. Amari, you can't black nobody's song. You is a bad-minded woman. Go to studio here, several lads do one song and send the youth go road and stop blood clot, brain rat several lads. And the several lads him fool, you see? Boy, I'm not fuck Amari. Boy, who's a disgrace, you know? Remember, I don't married in the southern have no better find a blood clot worse. They said 2 or 2 curse. I don't have no purse, so that's the worst. Move on the dirty blood clot. Baby, several lads, if you say I go get for fuck me, feel my Amari stretch my pussy tongue. I stretch it like elastic, so I stretch it to me. That thread cross the blood clot, see, get Amari, I stretch it. And then Amari would have 2 more somebody, but the 2 pussy jaw, wide out my pussy jaw. So meanwhile, man, she has stretched several as I stretch my pussy jaw. And 2 somebody, I was 2 somebody there on the side. I wide out my 2 pussy jaw. Me there, wow! Amari, I'm sorry for you, see? Yeah, man, breed, man. I make me be step blood clot, mother. I'm sorry, I never want travelers. I should have been one fuck it. I'm going to sample him cocky film. But, I don't want no man. I can't fuck, I have to fuck and love up somebody.
Go, so. We are twin couple. Twin couple. Twin couple. So them can't be like me. Look on we style. A big chick. Tonight, them I go down. You know, say baby, I why not?
Yeah, the gangster did want fuck me and my baby.
Hey.
Yeah, the gangster, me now come help me, baby.
Fuck lady.
Hey, me no fuck lady.
You just see my body up.
Jealous of me, baby. Shamrock.
Twin couple, baby. We are twin couple, baby. I mean, I know when I'm back my way.
Queenie can't breathe.
God send me an angel.
Can't breathe.
She can't breathe.
No.
I wonder if she can't
Our
breathe.
tubes locked down. And should I get a baby to do it? And when I have to go out there and make so much more. Watch my twin couple. Watch my twin couple. I want you.
Twin couple.
Bling look like
hey,
my
twin couple. Hey, baby, and if you ask me a question, don't ask me if me love you. Hey, we are twin couple. Now ask if me love you. Yeah, me love you. Hey, we are twin couple.
And you have to walk with the with a lesbian. Your wife don't want to be with a lesbian.
We don't want no lesbian. And we don't want no transmission.
Hey.
Pan, TV, JCVM, run with this.
Twin couple, blah wow. What happened to you? Yeah. If y'all come good. Ladies and gentlemen, my man is the best father and best stepfather. Respect you. It's not everybody's like Dewey who love off Queenie's son. Because you know, the son roar like that. That's why Dewey did have to left the house. Queen Lady Gangster got jealous because Dewey I look upon her son more than him I look upon she. Amari not tell no lie. Bitch bye. Me I go watch you cry. I don't care if you fucking die. No, I don't care if you fucking die. Why?
Yeah.
Leave me alone.
One thing when me
Stone.
get.
Call it breast.
Bitch. Mad thing when me have the woman link up. Every place I go get king up. You know say yo we style still up. How am I deal with? Yo, I bag a thing one. You are who a run down our style. You know see a Gemini and a Capricorn. No, so we make the money Capricorn. Baby, you know some love you stop one. Cause them no bother down with. You know see them stink and them still warm. Alright now, baby. Show them you are the first lady.
You rule the world for every boys and girls. Fat girls twirl.
Who run the world? That's every lad. And you know some do it on my bad. And you know some do it on the girl them love her. My cocky them a start. Hey, where we gone? King up in your belly, baby.
We're Granny Queenie. Get up every day and have tired pan her head. Don't you Amari have more wigs than you?
Yeah, Granny now we a frack. Look how me baby, she sexy and hot. And when them a talk about, stop chat. Yo, TikTok, them flap. Right now, them a run back come a woman like cat. Meow, you know see that? Them not a chat. Tell her if we go fix up, teeth want fix up, everything nicks.
Woo!
Fix up, your mouth can't go pan my dick, and my dick can't never get your mouth pan the cocky.
Mixup. Hey! Whoa! But them starstruck. Yes! Yours in the microwave, I think, baby. Don't forget to follow Selling Lord on one page and Amari DJ Mona Lisa on another page on TikTok. We're about to turn this shit off. Remember, are you trouble a man first? Because him not the disrespect. Are you come first? You know what you say. I go on like say the man I look you, but you no want him. Could you too? When you are running down like, oh my, oh me.
Hey, girl, you feel like say me's a idiot. When you give me the pussy, me never need that. You coulda come in at the car, me leave that. You come in at the car and I lean back. You come like say you did want to suck the cock. You get all the clothes, but you get knock. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Out for door she a knock. Remember, yeah, me never pre that. Yeah, come in at the car and she lean back. She did want the clothes, so she want so cock. But me tell her, say, me and my wife get knock. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. How for do she a knock? Event that, when you look out at that, when you see a shop. She, me feel good. When baby come, me feel good. Me say me feel
Hi,
good.
bitch.
And the ladies say me feel good. Feel good, feel good, feel good. Baby make me feel good. Everything nice. Me say me.
Redundant Tuesday. him decline that.
See that? You know, see that I eat that. Wanna kakachi a kak she need that. Me tell her said me got me baby. And you
Yeah,
get
nah.
knock. Wanna kakatu a kak yo she need that. Lock up in a car like shop. Say she want get that.
Yeah, man.
Don't she want run with. But be telling
Amari, man. Yana? Yana? 7 lad, me want to have your baby. Like Amari make me a lady. 7 Lord. You know, say, you are the boss. Me fly from UK just for you. Me even bring you brand new shoe. 7 Lord, me beg you please. Make me be a Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Fuck you, itch. I want to you.
live up, live right. Live up and live right. You know what thing come down in a man. You know what thing come down in a kind of different way in a man. I want to say Lord in a man. Fully active in a man. Active. You see me active. You see me active. Mama baby active. Say me active. Say me active. More them know me style up. Say me active. Yo me active. The one that all the lyrics say my kicks up. Me tell them this yo, me know. Say me anytime I want me get my dicks up. Me not care, me not know. Me know as me get up, me smoke weed. They know say me ever. Heaven life, 7 lives. Heaven life, 7 nights. Me a smoke weed, I'm a chain of ice. So me tell you this, me feel nice. Heaven life, 7 nights. Me living life, happy life, no crappy life. Fuck run, me have me wife. You know my style, keep them on the style and show them say, hey, yo, I'm my fan. If you know 7, one go check my profile. 7 nights, heaven life. Every time you see me roll out, me full of vibes. Girl, them say them love the style. They want to suck my cocky every day, but me tell her, me have me wife. You know the thing go, 7 life, roll out. On the phone, me just bing up. Roll out like a bring up. So me ting up, fuck the girl and bring up. 7 life, 7 nights, 7 life, 7 nights, 7 life, 7 nights, heaven life. Fuck wrong, me say me tell you life. 7 lives, 7 life. Fuck wrong, me take your life. A report to your mother, black the person. Them bad man, black them for life. We don't want them in our life. Hey. Save a life. 7 nights. I beat you. Homes. No joking, no man. Happy life, no crappy life. Hey. Look, me clean every day. Me clean every day. Don't pray money if you're not praying. Clean every day. Me clean some stay. Burn them out like ashtray.
That's what's up. Instagram. Just want to thank you for joining us tonight. We're here in the Bahamas. Big up to all the Bahamians. Big up to Bahamians, right? Right, baby?
Yeah.
Bahamians, I mean, they're like the nicest people ever. It's my second time coming to Bahamas, and let me tell you, these people have a special love for me. Y'all know that I was conceived in the Bahamas, but I was born in Jamaica. You understand? So it's like I'm both Bahamian and Jamaican. Yeah, she went to get the stuff. Boy, yo, goodness. Shamrock is greedy, yo. Every second Shamrock want to eat.
His name Pum Pum Rhythm. Pum Pum Rhythm. For that, I buy the rhythm there. I buy about 4 rhythm I have I buy. So my advice. Because what I do right now, freestyle, exercise my vocal. You understand? We build a song with metaphor.
Yeah, the water's right here.
Thanks. But the rhythm bad. No joke. They are artists. That's in our way. Yeah. But me not try thing. So me just start off, I was a songwriter first, I was a songwriter first. And the dog when me used to write song for I wanted to say dog up on one stage show. And win the contest. To write one rotted class tune female. I go win the contest. And the dog go fly out. If the dog fly out, I then say, you know, so I can't do this thing. And from that I start do it. With on and off till it's working here. And when I start investing on myself and spend a month of money, I spend million. And I ask you. And I chew my voice up. Sometimes they love it, When them time the man love it, I start walk go studio, bleach a studio till I start take bus. Then I start take taxi. Then I start rent car go studio. I start my boy buy my first car and I go studio. I sleep in my car. And I have a girl next door. And over there I go bed. Yeah man. And so I used to drop it man. Till now, the platform now make music more. And have to up and down and Yeah man, ghostwriter man. I never like the spotlight. Yeah, I never like the spotlight. Cause I'm boring if I see me, I don't like the hyping, Right now I'm going away, Yeah, undercover agent. I always go and let me know I nothing. I don't have nothing. So I stay. But now, the people make me go so. People make me stay so brawling. Yeah, that's how I become the artist. Yeah man. I'm not informed. Isn't it? I'm telling you, man. If I tell you something like the hype, I'm an undercover agent. I'm not going to come tell you who I used to ghostwrite for. Can't do that. It's different than like some people do something for you and come tell the world. No, sir. No, big disrespect. Remember, I'm a people person. You can't be an artist. You have to be a people person. You have to respect people. See me? Anywhere I go. Anywhere, when I get to anywhere. Anywhere I go. I try to make Drop a couple lyrics and see if we can guess. No wicked to me, man. I just go now half an hour a while ago. I don't want them things there. Right now, the EP we got drop. When I see, test me, and I know my talent. Wait till the EP drop. I work, you know. I can't tell myself say I'm the baddest. I can't tell myself say I'm bad. I only have to tell me. I'm just a try a thing, dog. So I only have to tell me. You know. Just to be myself. No business about no queen. I one queen I know about them. I don't know about the next queen. Ask that question. In our relationship, I got respect the next queen. No. If you use a man, right? You respect the next queen. Could have be the queen for England, queen for London, Canada, Africa, Nigeria, Africa, Jamaica. You're in a relationship and classify somebody as the next queen. One queen, man. One. So, if you respect me, I respect you. I'm glad. I'm not talk about that on my platform. So you know what I'm going to do now? I know what I'm trying to do, you know. We not no one not try to. So I'm not gonna follow up that. I'm not dumb enough. Me and the matter of fact, I'm fucking up. Me and the woman have nothing. Simple. Me and the queen have nothing. Full stop, it done just so. No business. I'm too enough on the way. That now run over your son. I bet you know. I bet you know for the mention the woman name. I only mix up, you know. I can't bet you say I wouldn't see a man go over there go tell woman fuck her and make the woman cuss and go on bad. Because I never did the queen. A queen first me send video on this me for nothing. Just because me I play a match with Amari. Only know me by Amari and she a cuss me by Amari. But yes, still them a send me request to go play a match with Amari. Make sense? So here me I go on. Anytime I mention woman name, I never pay no mind. I'm not even a black one. I know when for black one. Because I watch you. I want to fuck up things. I just be a man. Simple. Everything up for your blood clot reason. I be a man. I don't alone have feelings. If somebody not like you, well, you won. That's for blood clot the way I do. Please. One of me create a crime. No crime, no create. I'm gonna look for gunman and thief. And child molester and raper. What me do now? Me blood clot. Come like I don't want my phone to save. I don't want my phone to save. But me did out them and I see nobody, you know. We never try to get for no man, uno. We never try to get for no man. Uno post own people. I'm not listening about your mama. No say that. Oh God, man. No say that. I don't say that. I don't say that. Alright then. Alright, I'm not say nothing. But what I want to do for me, so when people come around and fool around me and I chat certain things, uno diss them then. Uno do all uno run things, my people. Just tell them to love the artists, you see me? Because we're there for everyone and we're there for one another, you know, man. Believe me, man, we're there for one another. You see me? So you see people come around and fast with the artists, only deal with it. Because the artists don't put up with phone-ish, man. But they are phone, remember, the man. Enough people out there make it in a life and a member only, you know. Enough people on help out in life. Enough people on dead for. And when them boss and make it, them not dead for, you know. So if you get you a chance, you don't know make it work out, more things can change. I'm telling you, man. Yes. Enough youths me help try and them betray me, you know. Enough youths me help and them betray me. Enough. Girl and boy me help and them betray me. I never take it up on me. You know, see me not come fool around nobody, you know. Nobody can say me come around and fool around them. I fool around nobody. I want to see better fool, you know.